2021 fucking fabulous, all right? Let's make it fabulous. You have power to do that. Secondly, just kind of, because I don't think I sent out any kind of newsletters or anything like that for quite some time. So I just wanted to kind of check in and let you know what's been going on. And also to invite you to, you know, come and check out what we're doing, because we're doing things in a different way to what we were doing before. So I suppose the biggest change has been letting go of the Witch's Bazaar website, because it wasn't serving us as we wanted it to. It was actually getting quite stressful because it was costing, you know, more money than we were actually getting coming in. So it's like, no, we need to let that go. Doesn't mean we're not selling those things anymore. So if you've ever bought anything from us and you want more of it, just either email me, message me on Facebook or MeWe, because we're on MeWe as well now, or comment under this video. So whether it's incense or oils, CBD oil or salve, what else might be, crystals. We've actually got a new website that we is for crystals, but it's also for healing stuff as well, and that's crystalsrockearth.weebly.com. Okay, you can go on there. It's kind of there are links on there to where we sell our crystals on eBay, and there's also on the Sekhmet page is the healing, but I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. So you can have a look at what we've got on eBay, crystal-wise. That is kind of our focus at the moment, but like I say, if you want incense or oils or CBD, then just give me a shout, yeah? Comment under this video, or you can email me or message me on Facebook. You know, if you're Facebook friends, or if you're on MeWe or one of our groups or whatever, just send me a message. Say, look, I need some of this. Can you send me some? And I'll say, yes, that'll be blah, blah. And then we'll send it to you, yeah? Anyway, so that's probably one of the biggest changes that we've made. Other things that have happened, oh my God, it's been such a mad year. I've probably dropped 2 dress sizes. Yeah, it's probably 2. Just through walking. And we're walking anywhere between 5.5 and 6 miles a day on the marshes. First thing in the morning, we go out and do 5.5 miles. Bosh, yeah? It's amazing. It sets up your day. It is amazing walking out in nature at that time of the morning, because it's basically like we get up, we have a drink, and we go, basically, yeah? So it's challenging, especially when the body's not woken up yet, and I haven't had my coffee. It's like, ugh. But it's worth it, yeah? Because it's amazing. Some of the things we've seen out there have been amazing on those early morning walks, especially on the solstice. Solstice was incredible. And I even found some hagstones that morning as well, which was fucking awesome. I have connected with Sekhmet in a really big way. That happened the end of 2019, and then last year was just boom. So it's her, actually, that's the healing that I was talking about on the new website, crystalsrockearth.weebly.com. On there's a page called Sekhmet, and on that page there is actually some information about some guided meditations that we have done. We did them, and we did them as an intensive. But you don't have to do that. In fact, if you sign up for those healing meditations, you'll get one every, I think it's every 4 or 5 days. You get one in your email. Yeah, and they are a series, and they're meant to be done from start to finish in the order that they're given. But yeah, that has been an amazing journey, all on its own, you know, without anything else going on. What else have we been up to? I'm trying to think. Well, just basically living life, yeah. Flexing our occult muscles, our mind magic muscles. That has really tested our toolkit this year. Last year. last year is a year of movement, of change. This year and into the future is all about expansion. Yeah, and I'm hearing that from a lot of people, and that's what it feels like. Feels like expansion this year. So the year before that, so 2019 was about movement and very much about, I don't know if you had the same thing, was very much about, right, we're going to do the things that actually work for us. We're not going to get involved, because we would often get involved in other people's projects and other people wanting to do, and then we'd end up not doing the things that we actually wanted to do, that were actually good for us. So 2019, we said, right, we're not doing that anymore. So we started doing things that we wanted to do, and then obviously last year happened, and we were still doing the things that we really wanted to do. We even went camping, and it was amazing. So, you know, how do you perceive your domain? That's what I would ask you. That's a question. Feel free to answer. Feel free to write an answer on a postcard and send it to me if you like. So there's been a lot of change going on. What else have we been doing? Oh, we're on Patreon. We're going to give it a go for a second time. We'll see what happens. So if you want to do, because we run courses as well, if you want to do one or both of our courses, so we've got like a Witchcraft Basics 101, and then we've got the Advanced Witchcraft. So whether you want to do either or both, there are options to do that from, you know, like very small monthly subscriptions. Now, obviously, when you do that, when you pay in that way, it's spread out. So I think it's every 3 to 4 weeks you get a new lesson. Yeah. So it's spread out. If you don't want to do it that way, and you want to either do a payment plan or pay it in full, then, you know, you get access to the whole lot all at once. Yeah. So it's, you know, there are options, you know, depending on where you are at the moment. So if you do want to go over to Patreon, it's under The Witch's Path on Patreon. There are I'll put the other links below as well. So if you want to do the Advanced Witchcraft, the link will be under there. The Basics isn't live at the moment, but it will be by the time this goes out. The other thing as well that the kind of reason, there is a reason why I'm here. The reason that I've come here today is because I haven't sent out many newsletters, and I haven't really posted much on YouTube really, because we've been focusing on our own journey. But kind of what's come out of that is the need to share stuff around breathwork, kind of Kundalini focus with breathwork, which I'm going to be doing on YouTube. So come and join us for that. They won't be lives. They'll be very short recorded videos, very specific breathwork for specific things. And then I'm throwing the idea out there as well of doing maybe live classes, live Kundalini classes on Zoom. So if you fancy that, just give me a shout, reply to this email, or message me, whatever. You know, there are so many ways to get in contact with us. You can do one of them, yeah. If you fancy that, if you fancy doing, you know, some Kundalini yoga live on, it'll probably be Zoom, because that's the only platform we've really got at the moment. So yeah, so there's those two things. So we've got the possibility of live classes, depending on if we've got any interest. But definitely, I feel compelled to share the breathwork on YouTube, because if you ever attended any of our classes, we were always saying it's all about the breath. It's all about the breath, yeah? And if there's one thing that we know to be true, how you breathe affects your whole being, yeah? And in Kundalini Yoga, different types of breath work will activate certain things, yeah? So whether it's a breath work for your heart chakra or for your base chakra or whatever chakra, yeah, or for your aura. It's amazing and it's powerful, yeah. So that is upcoming on YouTube. I'm also thinking maybe of doing readings, but not like you might think. They will be slightly different. So I've yet to kind of work that one out, but yeah, I'm sure it will come. What else? What else is coming up? I can't think of anything else apart from I want it to snow. I know some people are like, oh gosh, she's fucking mad, she wants it to snow. I want it to snow big time. So if you've got any snow where you are, send it my way, yeah? Anyway, so we're at 11 minutes. I think that'll do for now. So if you have any questions about anything that I've talked about in this video, or if you used to buy from us, from our website, and you're like, where have they gone? Just message me, email me, whatever. We're on Pinterest as well, under the Witch's Path. Where else are we? So we're on YouTube. We're on MeWe, under the Witch's Path. There's a group, and there's also a group for Crystals Rock, and there's also a group for the Sekhmet healing work as well, because that's important, that there's a network there to support you with that work. We're selling on eBay. I will put the link there because it's a great big long link and I can't remember what it is. Pinterest, yeah, we're under the Witch's Path. Yeah, so we're out and about all over the place. So come and visit us wherever we are. Hopefully we'll see you in a live Zoom. That'd be so cool. We can get some people together for live Kundalini classes. That'd be wicked, yeah. But if not, we'll see you out and about, wherever. Let's make 2021 fabulous. Yes? Fabulous. And until then, I'm going to say be fearless, stay witchy, and we'll see you around. Namaste.